Are you considering a career in finance but unsure where the best opportunities are? Choosing the right city can make all the difference. The financial industry isn't just about what you know, it's also about where you are. In today's video, I'll take you through the 5 best cities to start a career in finance. Whether you're looking for top companies, exciting growth opportunities, or the chance to network with the best in the business, these cities have something that can open doors to excellent career prospects. All right, let's get into it. But first, please do me a favor, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. First on the list is New York City, the world's undisputed financial capital. With Wall Street at its core, this city offers endless opportunities for anyone looking to break into finance. New York is home to some of the industry's biggest names, such as Goldman Sachs, JPMorgan Chase, and Morgan Stanley. Whether you're interested in investment banking, asset management, or trading, you'll find it all here. Beyond the big firms, the city's dynamic fintech scene and countless networking events make it a perfect place to build connections and kickstart your career. Yes, the competition is tough, but the rewards are even greater. At the same time, it's essential to consider the cost of living. New York City is known for its high expenses, with the cost of living 130% higher than the national average. Housing is particularly costly, with the average monthly rent for a one-bedroom apartment approximately $3,500. If you're ready to jump into the high-stakes world of finance, New York City is the ultimate starting point. Next up is London, often regarded as Europe's financial hub. The city boasts a diverse finance sector, including banking, insurance, and a rapidly growing fintech scene. Major institutions like the London Stock Exchange and Barclays are headquartered here, offering aspiring finance professionals a wealth of opportunities. London's strategic time zone bridges the gap between Asian and American markets, making it a bustling center for global finance. The city's multicultural environment also provides a rich networking landscape, connecting you with professionals worldwide. The city's expenses are high, but less steep than in New York. The average rent for a one-bedroom flat in London is £2,100, approximately $2,650 per month. While the lifestyle is vibrant and rewarding, budgeting wisely is critical to maximizing your experience in this world-class city. Next, we go to Singapore, an Asian financial hub renowned for its robust economy and strategic location. The city-state excels in wealth management, fintech, and international trade finance, attracting major financial institutions and a growing number of global investors. Notably, Morgan Stanley recently inaugurated its new Southeast Asia headquarters in Singapore, underscoring the city's significance in the region. Singapore's business-friendly environment, political stability, and efficient regulatory framework make it an attractive destination for finance professionals. The city's multicultural society and high quality of life further enhance its appeal. But it's essential to consider the cost of living there. The average monthly rent for a one-bedroom apartment in the city center is approximately $2,350. Now, let's head back to the U.S., specifically the West Coast city of San Francisco. Known as the world's tech capital, this city is where finance meets innovation. San Francisco is home to cutting-edge companies like Stripe, Robinhood, and SoFi, making it the perfect place to combine finance with technology. The city's thriving startup ecosystem means a strong demand for finance professionals to manage funding, investments, and business growth. The networking opportunities here are unmatched. Countless meetups, conferences, and events connect the brightest minds in tech and finance. But as you might expect, San Francisco has a high cost of living. The average monthly rent for a one-bedroom apartment in the city center is around $3,500. The high salaries, however, in finance and tech often make it worthwhile. If you're ready to work at the intersection of finance and innovation, San Francisco is the place to be. Lastly, let's visit Frankfurt, Germany, often hailed as Europe's financial hub. Frankfurt is a key hub for banking, investment, and regulatory activities. It's home to the European Central Bank and major institutions like Deutsche Bank and Commerzbank. Frankfurt's strategic importance in the European Union makes it a top destination for finance professionals. With its strong focus on global banking and financial services, it's an ideal city for those interested in international markets or economic policy roles. In addition to its financial significance, Frankfurt offers a high standard of living and a unique blend of modern business districts and historical charm. Networking opportunities abound, with many global firms and organizations hosting events and conferences in the city. Frankfurt is more affordable than some of the other cities on this list when it comes to the cost of living. The average monthly rent for a one-bedroom apartment in the city center is about $1,400, making Frankfurt an attractive option for finance professionals looking to balance career opportunities with living costs. And there you have it, the 5 best cities to start a career in finance. Each city offers a unique contribution. From New York City's vibrant energy to Singapore's innovation hub and Frankfurt's strategic significance. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. And if you wish to get job ready for a successful career in finance, don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst platform. Stay tuned.